To put it into nice words, it's disgusting. And this was probably the face of regret that you just saw. A huge thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this episode possible. Good morning, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to now. I don't know, this is getting quite old. Let's create a new iconic intro. What's poppin', guys? It's me, Flammy A. Flammy Station. What's poppin', guys? Yo, guys, guys, you have to say guys as much as possible to really become a clickbait YouTuber here. Well, guys, you know I haven't eaten anything today up until now, and I'm hungry as fuck. But good thing is, I've got something here that is going to defeat my hunger in no time at all. It's in stock, back in stock over on army.com. It's in here, in this little box, you see Army, and I'm going to unbox it today and I'm going to eat it. This right here is the most prestigious curry and I'm going to review it today. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Let me unbox it real quick. So that's gotta be a great unboxing. In each and every Army box there comes, yeah, like a fourth little postcard. This is going to go into my collection. What's even on there? Oh, a New Year's card. This is amazing. But the main meat of the video, I hope it doesn't contain meat. This is going to be really ugly. Is inside of this box. Namely, what I bought is Sonic Curry Des. And not only one pack, I bought 3. Because I'm going to give my best friends one and I'm going to eat one here, because there's no better way to show that you love someone or that someone is your best friend than by giving them a pack of blue curry. That's definitely the best way to show your appreciation to someone. So if there's Mother's Day around the corner or maybe Valentine's Day, definitely get them blue curry. And yeah, can't wait to eat this bitch right here. I'm going to unbox the pack real quick and then we are going to see what it actually contains. I have no idea. I hope there's some rice to this curry, I don't know. Yeah, Misaki Kurihito, thank you very much. Yeah, that was a really long unboxing, took me quite a while. And, ooh, what have we gotten here? Okay. It seems like it's seriously only the curry. This could pose a small problem because this means that I need to cook some rice now. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this and then I'm going to prepare my delicious little Japanese food right here, or Indian food, whatever it is. And then I gotta be back. Oh. I mean, it smells good, but yeah. Just look at it. What are those? This looks like paint. This really doesn't look like food at all. While the food is being prepared over there, don't forget to check out the new merch. We got some Tensegrity toy over on STEM merch. Try to get my hands on other ones or create some of myself. Also with lots of generality. It's new merch, looking pretty fine. You can find the link down there in the description to everything. How about a hot, piping, steaming piece of blue shit, my lads? Okay, everything is ready. I'm going to go back to my hood and then I'm going to design myself a little Sonic. Woo! But before I start to commit suicide, I'm going to ask the one and only boy if he enjoys the blue curry. Anton? He's coming back to the good stuff, so I believe he likes it. I don't know. I also need to ask the lady of the house if she likes it. Hannah. Something dropped down onto the, whoa. But she's really eating it up. I think she really likes it. Oh goodness, Hannah, here, take the rest. Take it, take everything. Honest food reviews, done. So I'm done and it looks really like Sonic the Hedgehog. I did a really good job. Let me give you a closer look. Yeah, this is gonna make for a good thumbnail. This is looking fabulous. Can't wait to eat it. Now here comes the most important part. How does it taste? And I can't wait to taste it. Yummy. Have a good one. Okay, let me take a piece of meat too. How should I put it? There's a certain feel to it when you eat it. So at first you see how it looks, okay, what it looks like. Then you put it into your mouth and kinda tastes like curry. Tastes kinda salty, but then it starts to hit your throat really, and it starts sliding downwards. And then you notice that, I don't know, it's just a mental thing. You want to get it out of your throat again. You want to throw up. Not really like throwing up. It's just, to put it into nice words, it's fucking disgusting. And this was probably the face of regret that you just saw. It's not good. I don't know if it can be good, if I close my eyes or something, but I don't think so. It's just overall not a good curry experience. Let me take another bite, another piece of meat. And the meat makes it even worse. Dead animal in blue curry, I don't know, not a good combination. Another one. There wasn't a piece of meat, there was a piece of potato. It gets a bit better. It gets a bit better. You are getting used to it. But overall, honest food review. Nine out of 11. Would definitely do again. I'm not one to waste any kind of food. I hate wasting food. Hence, I'm going to eat all of it. You can probably see it on the outro, that I'm going to eat everything of it. Honestly though, it's not too good. You can buy it for a meme, for a Sylvester party or something, New Year's party, but do not buy it regularly to, I don't know, eat or something. It's just not good. It's just not something that you should do. The feel in your throat is disgusting, and the aftertaste. I don't like it. I really don't like it. But never mind. I hope you still did enjoy this honest food review. If you want to see me eat more trash, then, or I need something to drink, then subscribe to the channel or something. And yeah, that's basically it. See ya. Talking about unboxing, this came by total accident. It's another package from Japan, and why not unbox it here too? There are yet a few things to receive from Japan, so I'm not certain what it is exactly. Little unboxing inside an unboxing. I believe I know what it is. If it is what I think it is, then I really can't show you. I want to monetize this video. So I got a few covers, and yeah, I know exactly what it is. It's from Dojin Republic, and at least I can show you a glimpse. Yeah, Misaki Kurihito, thank you very much. Yeah, Wheat Trash, it's from 2018 to 2019, all of his comic AUN artworks. So yeah, now that we got that out of the way, let me finally unbox the Sonic Curry Days. By the way, legend has it that your poop is gotta be blue after a few days. I gotta review my shit too in the aftermath here. I don't want it anymore. Oh, maybe the cat still wants it, I don't know. Seriously, it's not good. It's just not good. I'm out of here. Wow. I'm out of here. See ya.